Visit the MTCA website, mtca.gov.mt. From the home page, go to the top menu and select e-Services. Click on VAT. Then choose Submit VAT Return/Declaration. Scroll down to the bottom of the page under Personal Services and click Log In. Enter your EID credentials, your ID number and password, and proceed with the two-factor authentication. Once verified, click Continue. Click on My Personal MTCA Services and then on your VAT number. Select the year. Choose the relevant period. And click Submit VAT Return. Enter the required amounts in the Statement of Sales/Purchases. After completing the details, tick the declaration confirming that all entered information is true, correct, and complete. Finally, click Submit. Your return acknowledgement will then be available. The Malta Tax and Customs Administration would like to thank you for using the MTCA electronic services.